There are about 4 different variants of the Vaseline Gluta Hya body lotion, and that makes it a bit challenging to determine which of these variants is best for you. In this video, we're going to be delving deep into each of the Vaseline Gluta Hya body lotion serums. We're also going to be sharing what skin conditions they tackle, who should use each of those variants, what time of the day to use them, and how to use them for best results. If that sounds like something you're really interested in, then you want to stick around to the end of this video. Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Onyi Anekwe. Today's video is about the very popular Vaseline Gluta Hya body lotion serums. We're going to be exploring all the variants. I found 4 different variants of the Vaseline Gluta Hya lotion serum, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. I've done a video where I compared 2 different variants, the Dewy Radiance and the Flawless Bright, and then I did another video to answer all the questions you guys asked in the first video. I'm going to be linking those 2 videos in the description of this video. Let me quickly address a couple of questions that really came up. First of all, I noticed that most people did not watch that video to the end. Guys, why? Please do watch this video to the end before you ask any questions. So first question is, can I use this lotion serum on my face? This is a body lotion serum, so it should not be used on the face. It's specifically written there on the website that it's a body lotion serum, so be mindful of that. Secondly, if you have a sensitive skin, this particular product has fragrance, and products that have fragrance do not really go well with sensitive skin. So if you have a sensitive skin, you might find that it irritates your skin, so be very mindful of that. If you want to use this lotion serum and you have a sensitive skin, please do a patch test. Try it on behind your ear to see how your skin reacts with it before you go on to use it all over your body. The other question I get is, can I use it with a body oil? Definitely, you can use this lotion serum with any body oil that works well for your skin type. You either use the lotion first and use your oil over it, or you put a little bit of the lotion serum and then put a few drops of your oil onto it on your palm, rub it together and apply it on your body. Now let's get right into today's video. What makes this particular lotion stand out is the formulation. It combines 2 powerhouse ingredients, glutathione, which helps to brighten the skin and even out the skin tone, and hyaluronic acid, which helps to really deeply moisturize the skin. I found 4 variants of this body lotion serum on their website, but the big question is, which of them should I use? When should I use them? How should I use them? We're going to be answering all those questions in this video. So let's start with the first variant, which is the Vaseline Gluta Hya Dewy Radiance. I talked about this particular lotion in the previous video, so I'm not going to dwell so much on it here. This lotion is boosted with the Gluta-Glow technology, which is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. You all know how good vitamin C is when it comes to brightening the skin. Imagine a body lotion with ingredient that is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. That tells you that this will help brighten your skin. Remember, there's a difference between skin brightening and skin lightening. When you're talking about skin lightening, you're talking about 3 to 4 to 5 shades lighter. But skin brightening has to do with just evening out your skin tone and giving you that glow. This Dewy Radiance also contains 10 times niacinamide. Niacinamide also helps with brightening the skin, even out the skin tone, working on the pores. You can use this lotion twice a day, in the morning and in the night. Make sure you're using your sunscreen on all the exposed areas of your body. If your skin is feeling dull, dry, and kind of lifeless, this is the one you need to be going for. This Vaseline Gluta Hya Dewy Radiance is the one you need. It has glutathione, hyaluronic acid, so it's going to brighten your skin, it's going to hydrate your skin, and it's going to fade out your dark spots. If you have a normal skin, this is going to work very well for you. If your skin is dry, you can also use this with a body oil of your choice just to give you that extra glow, or you can use it with another moisturizer. I'm not a fan of body oils, so when I use this body lotion, I use it alongside my E45 body lotion. So I use the lotion and then use my E45 over it just to give me that extra glow. The second variant we're going to be talking about is the Flawless Bright. This one has everything that the Dewy Radiance has, as well as the Pro Retinol. The Pro Retinol there is to help to exfoliate the skin and give a more even toned complexion. This one also has the UV filters for sun protection, but I'll recommend you use your sunscreen when you use this as well, just for that extra layer of protection. This can actually be used 2 times a day. I know because it has the UV filter, some people decide to use it only during the day, but you can as well use it at night. On the website, it is stated there that it can be used twice a day. Now, if your biggest concern is dark spots, scars, or uneven tone, if that is a big concern for you, like hyperpigmentation on your body and you need something stronger, then this is the one you need to be using, the Flawless Bright. It has glutathione, hyaluronic acid, pro-retinol, and vitamin B3. So it deeply hydrates your skin, brightens your skin, speeds up your skin renewal, fades dark scars and discoloration, strengthens your skin and keeps it smooth. So you have hyperpigmentation on your body, then this one is the one you need to go for. The next variant is the Overnight Radiance Repair. As the name implies, you can already tell that it's going to be best to be used at night, and I'm going to be telling you why shortly. Before you even start out with using any of these products, you want to determine your skin type. I've created a comprehensive guide on how to determine your skin type by yourself in 3 easy steps. I'm going to link that ebook in the description of this video. You definitely want to check it out. It's completely free. Imagine you taking medication for treatment you haven't determined yet. You want to know your skin type before you even start out using any of these products. So definitely check out that ebook. It's also very important, especially with this era of social media where a lot of people are recommending different things for you. You need to take ownership of your skincare routine. I have created another ebook that lists out all the major active ingredients you need to know about and what each of those active ingredients actually do for your skin, who should be using those active ingredients, and what each of those ingredients tackle. This ebook is also free. I am going to be pinning it down to the comment section of this video, so you definitely want to check these books out. Back to the Overnight Radiance Repair. This particular lotion serum is as concentrated as 10 sheet masks, but it's very light and breaks down into water droplets when you use it. It helps to keep your skin very radiant and plump. Why it's able to do this is because it contains 10 times amino peptide complex. What this does is it revitalizes and nourishes tired skin, making it really plump and youthful. This one can also be used twice daily. For best results for this particular one, you want to use it at night. So if you want that feeling of waking up with your skin looking really plump, hydrated, well rested, then you want to use this one at night. It contains glutathione, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, peptide. So this one brightens your skin, it deeply hydrates your skin, helps your skin to recover overnight, and it helps to keep your skin firm and plump. So if you're looking for a plump, hydrated skin, if you have a dry, tired skin and you need extra repair overnight, this one is definitely the one for you. The last variant we're going to be talking about, by the way, if you've watched this video to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, this is not fair. This is not fair. This is 2025. We're not going to be watching videos and not subscribing. I'm going to wait for you now. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and do not forget to like and share this video to anyone you think would like it. So let's get back into our video. The last variant is the Serum Burst Lotion Pro Age Restore. This one contains 70 times collagen. Yes, guys, you heard me right. It contains hyaluronic acid and 70 times collagen. I find that this particular lotion is not as popular as the other 3. The Pro Age Restore smooths the skin, firms the skin while reducing age spots. It also addresses early signs of aging. So if you're looking to combat the signs of aging, then this is the one that you actually really want to go for. It claims to give a smoother, firmer, and even-toned skin in 5 days. So which one should you really choose? Which of these lotions should you really choose? If you have a dry, dull skin that needs hydration and glow, then you need to choose the Dewy Radiance. If you're looking to fade out your dark spots and even out your skin tone, you have hyperpigmentation, then you want to use the Flawless Bright. If you're looking for something to hydrate and repair your skin overnight, you want to go with the Overnight Radiance Repair. If you're looking for something to address the signs of aging or to combat the signs of aging, then you want to go for the Pro Age Restore. All these variants I have listed are body lotions. They are body lotion serums. Just because they are called serums doesn't mean you should use them on your face. They are not meant to be used for your face. They are just meant for your body only. Also, do not expect overnight results. You need to be consistent with this and use it over time. If you notice that these react to your skin, either you're feeling itchy or you're breaking out, then you want to completely discontinue. In the comment section of my previous video, some people complained about the fact that they reacted with the lotions. Either it was breaking them out or they were feeling itchy. If you experience any of those, you want to discontinue. Skincare is not a one-size-fits-all thing. Just because it works with one person doesn't necessarily mean that it will work for you. And it also doesn't necessarily mean that the lotion is bad just because it doesn't work for you. So you want to find what works for you and stick to it. I'm going to be in the comment section of this video to answer your questions. You also want to read through the comments so that you can learn from other people's questions. But if I find that there are a couple of questions that come up repeatedly, then I may create a video to answer those questions. And if you're wondering if you can use any of these lotions with a body oil, you want to click on this other video to learn about body oils that you can use with each of these lotions based on your skin type. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.